desk you are sitting at right now is likely too small for what I am looking at today. I am staring at a piece of glass so wide it feels like it might actually wrap around my head. This is not just a monitor. It is a massive 49-inch stretch of pixels. It effectively deletes the annoying plastic border you usually get when you shove two high-end displays together. We are looking at a 32:9 aspect ratio. That is basically a double-wide setup without the seam in the middle. It uses a very gentle curve. It is subtle. It does not feel like you are sitting inside a giant salad bowl. Instead, it just brings the edges into your peripheral vision naturally. The resolution is high. It gives you all the vertical space of a professional screen, but twice the horizontal room. If you are a video editor or someone who lives in massive spreadsheets, this is your new playground. The panel technology here is top tier. It covers nearly the entire professional color space. That makes it a serious tool for photographers and designers. It runs at a high refresh rate too. 144 Hz means everything moves with a liquid smoothness. It ruins cheaper screens for you forever. Setting it up is surprisingly simple. You get one single cable to rule them all. That connection carries your video signal. It handles your data. It even pumps out 90 watts of power to keep your laptop charged while you work. There is even a built-in switch. It lets you control two different computers with one keyboard and mouse. That is a massive win for anyone juggling a work laptop and a personal desktop. But it is not perfect. There are some trade-offs you have to weigh against that massive size. The high dynamic range is basic. It is entry-level at best. If you are looking for those deep, local dimming blacks and blinding highlights, this might let you down. Also, for the high-end workstation users, you should know there is no dedicated ultra-high-speed data port like the one some premium laptops require. It relies on standard high-end connections instead. For gaming, it is surprisingly capable. You get compatibility with the major FrameSync technologies. The response time is snappy enough for most people. It even has a special mode to cut down on motion blur. It feels like a productivity powerhouse that happens to be great for gaming on the side. You have to ask yourself if you actually have the physical room for it. It is a statement piece. It dominates a room. It changes how you think about multitasking. No more tabbing back and forth between windows. You just move your eyes. It is about flow. It is about having your timeline, your assets, and your communication apps all visible at the exact same time. It represents a specific vision of what a modern workspace should look like. It is clean. It is understated. It is undeniably huge. If you can live without the highest end display features, it might be the last screen you ever buy. It offers a level of immersion that a standard screen simply cannot match. You find yourself getting lost in the workflow. The curve helps reduce eye strain because the distance from your eyes to the screen stays consistent. It is a thoughtful design choice. It is built for someone who values efficiency over everything else. It is big, bold, and incredibly wide.